This interesting question of summation series of JEE 2026 can be solved in under 60 seconds. Let's check it out. So the series here is 1 plus 1 by 2 of 1 square plus 2 square, 1 by 3 of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So we can see a pattern like the last term will be 1 by 10 of 1 square, 2 square, 3 square to 10 square. Up to 10 terms they have told us. Now I have put the summation. The summation of all the series will be different, but inside the series that will be summation of r square. So r square summation r equal to 1 to n upon there will be 10. So n, and outside the this summation there will be summation of n equal to 1 to 10. Now if I put r square summation, that will be n plus 1 2 n plus 1 upon 6. Now n will be cancelled out with this n. Now that will be n plus 1 2n plus 1 upon 6. Now that will be a quadratic equation 2n square plus 3n plus 6. If I put the summation outside summation on n square, that will be n plus 1 2n plus 1 upon 6 plus summation of n will be n plus 1 upon 2 and summation of 1 will be n. Now if I put the value of n here 10, so that will be 770 plus 165 plus 10 upon 6. If I solve this, that will be 315 upon 2. Option C is correct. Thank you.